Is Tesla stock a purchase today, while others have been disheartened by the way that Tesla stock keeps on pursuing a descending direction? Bullish financial backers accept that this present time is the best opportunity to stack up Tesla shares. While it is as yet modest, you certainly would have no desire to miss this. Tesla is snatching an unbalanced offer, and I will keep on doing as such of a market that we think by 2027 will represent 85 to 95% of all vehicles sold on the planet. Cathie Wood told Bloomberg 2 or 3 days prior specialists, except that Tesla's EV piece of the pie will fall under 20 by 2025. Anyway, Wood is keeping the confidence while numerous financial backers are escaping Tesla and the crypto space. The ARK contribute. President stays hopeful about the drawn-out worth of Tesla Bitcoin and digital money trade Coinbase and his financial planning as needs be, albeit the said organizations have gotten hammered for this present year. Today, the whole globe is unquestionably confronting extreme macroeconomic vulnerability. Throughout the course of recent months, Tesla shares have lost about 33% of their worth. Year to date, they are down in excess of 40%. The pullback in the stock cost probably has a ton of financial backers contemplating whether this present time is a decent opportunity to purchase the vehicle. Producer stock, after all, despite the fact that offers are down, the hidden business is developing quickly, as is reflected in Tesla's new business results. Second from last quarter, income took off 56% year over year, and free income for the period expanded 148% to around $3 organization's money. Position developed to $21.1 billion. The solid quarter was energized by Tesla's flooding vehicle conveyances. As a matter of fact, all out second from last quarter, conveyances expanded 42% year over year to 343,830. Tesla revealed its Q3 profit in October and BDP's assumptions by 10% at $1.05 for each offer. The stock dropped. Notwithstanding the beat on the organization's main concern, top-line development was disappointing, with deals missing assumptions by 4% on income of $21.54 or $5 billion, regardless of a record 343,830 conveyances. During the quarter, this marginally missed assumptions to Tesla. Stock is down around 46% year to date to fail to meet expectations. The SP 500's negative 22%. Tesla offers are still up 7-1 throughout the course of recent years to pulverize the benchmark and its friend bunches. In addition to 7%, Tesla anticipates that entire year creation should grow 50% versus 2021. Development in conveyances is supposed to be just shy of 50%, said Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn. In the organization's second from last quarter profit, bring year-over-year Tesla profit are presently expected to rise 79% to $4.05. The monetary year 2023 profit are supposed to rise one more 30% at 5.29% per share. Top-line development is normal too, with deals set to climb 54 this year and one more 39% in financial year 23 at $115.38 billion. This is more than fourfold pre-pandemic deals of $24.57 billion of every 2019. Despite the fact that Tesla is known to be incredibly unstable, so are different stocks even in 2021, when Tesla stock was pursuing a descending direction. A financial backer said, whenever you can be able to get it, as Tesla stock plunged at the time. That said, star financial backer Cathie Wood can be noted to have been on a purchasing binge since October. As a matter of fact, Wood has purchased Tesla shares during the dunk a few times in October, then in November, and a new buy in mid-December. Tesla will keep on being the forerunner in the business, particularly for years to come. Overseeing head of IOS guides at Rockefeller Capital Administration, Michael Bappa, said on Exchanging Country, when you think Tesla, you think development outstandingly. Goldman Sachs additionally managed one more catastrophe for Tesla a few days prior when the bank cut its value target and brought down gauges on Tesla conveyances and net edges for the final quarter, referring to the possibility of debilitating interest. Still, Goldman kept up with its purchase rating and is bullish over the drawn-out Cathie Wood's venture. The board firm curve put like Goldman stays sure about the organization's drawn-out conveyance possibilities. Wood highlighted relaxing stock chains that place Tesla at the cutting edge of having the option to drive down expenses and costs to assist with carrying electric vehicles to the mass market. While Tesla could appear as though an expensive stock as far as valuation for most, the organization has conveyed enormous profit and income development for a few quarters in succession. Additionally, yearly profit gauges show the organization's development direction is still a lot of unblemished. Specialists accept that what's to come looks splendid for Tesla. For financial backers looking years or a long time, not too far off purchasing Tesla right currently, could check out. After all, most examiners accept that Tesla stock is more appropriate for long-haul financial backers as opposed to transient financial backers that expressed investigating the drawn-out bullish financial backers put their expectations on completely independent vehicles. While many organizations are making progress toward that end, somehow Tesla's lead is hard to conquer. Tesla's utilization of cameras, radar, and GPS has been progressing for quite a long time, to the point that Tesla vehicles are basically self-driving. Besides, Tesla has burned through billions to construct its 2 new assembling offices in Texas and Germany, as well as redesigning its Shanghai plant. This move is intended to support the organization's general creation. The China plant can now deliver 1.1 million vehicles every year at full limit. It's surrounded that run rate with a month to month record of 8,135 units. In September, the organization has additionally said its energy division, which incorporates battery capacity and sun-powered roofs, has more expectation than it can supply. Deals from that division address 5% of all-out income in the second from last quarter. Tesla is unquestionably performing great despite the fact that it faces inventory network and strategies headwinds. The organization created 2,200 additional vehicles in the second from last quarter than it had the option to convey because of transportation bottlenecks. Clients will take responsibility for vehicles in the final quarter. That issue could make 2022 conveyances miss the organization's 50-yearly development target. However, it anticipates that creation should in any case hit that degree of development. Specialists accept that financial backers shouldn't depend on any stock to ensure a specific return over only a couple of years. There are various variables like the flow inventory network gambles with Elon Musk, albeit generally known for being a questionable pioneer, has likewise been forceful with his forecast. The Tesla semi-truck was first declared almost quite a while back and is currently set to start conveyances 1 month from now. That said, apparently things are working out positively for Tesla, particularly comparative with the remainder of the car business, as per a report by Cox Auto and car vendor promoting and task programming organization. U.S. car deals will fall around 9% this year. Worldwide patterns are generally expected to be similarly as terrible, while perhaps not more regrettable. Tesla's solid business execution during a difficult climate features the automaker's energy and the strong interest for completely electric vehicles that said it very well might be a great opportunity to consider the stock, while it is as yet encountering a plunge despite the fact that Tesla's flow cost to profit proportion is expensive from the outset. The valuation begins to look more appealing when financial backers think about the organization's solid energy and the executive's hopeful standpoint, albeit down 50% this year. Is Tesla stock a purchase? Tesla stock has seen significant selling pressure, losing around 50% of its worth over the course of the year. While development stocks overall have been hit by high expansion and increasing loan fees, Tesla faces several different difficulties. For one, there are genuine worries that request could be dialing back, especially in China, which has been a major wellspring of development for Tesla. The organization cut costs of its Model 3 and Model Y vehicles by however much 9% in China in October, and Bloomberg as of late revealed that Tesla has wanted to downsize creation of the Model Y by 20 at its Shanghai processing plant. Additionally, Tesla keeps on being burdened by Chief Elon Musk's new Twitter securing. In spite of the fact that Musk bought the web-based entertainment organization in his own ability, he has been offloading Tesla stock to subsidize the buy and let loose liquidity to deal with the deficit-making virtual entertainment organization, which has a huge obligation load. This has made a shade over the stock. The Twitter obtaining could likewise be viewed as an undesirable interruption for Mr. Musk, compelling him to remove time from his job. At Tesla, still Tesla's execution has been strong up until this point, and the organization has an objective of developing its conveyances by north of 50% every year over a long-term skyline. While this plan could be tested in the close to term, given the mounting financial headwinds, Tesla ought to stay a major recipient of the drawn-out change to electric drive prepares. Moreover, Tesla has been tending to the creation limit, which has customarily been a major bottleneck for the organization through new processing plants in Texas and Berlin coming on the web and increased limit. Tesla is additionally scheduled to reinforce its model arrangement. The digital truck pickup truck is probably going to go into creation 1 year from now, while conveyances of the Tesla Semi, as of late started Tesla's Edges, are additionally among the most noteworthy in the car business, and this ought to empower the organization to be decidedly productive as deals rise further. That said, many accept that Tesla stock at its flow valuation is a purchase buy into this feed for more Tesla stock substance.